Tulsi Gowda, fondly known as the Tree Mother and the Encyclopaedia of Forests, passed away on December 16th at the age of 75 in Honnalli village in Uttara Kannada district. A cherished member of the Halakki Vokkaliga community, she had been battling age-related health issues for some time. Renowned for her extraordinary commitment to environmental conservation, Tulsi Gowda spent over 60 years transforming barren landscapes into flourishing forests. Her remarkable efforts included planting more than 4 lakh saplings, ensuring they thrived through her meticulous understanding of their care. With unparalleled expertise in over 300 species of trees, including their growth cycles, water needs, and soil requirements, she earned widespread recognition despite lacking formal education. This profound knowledge earned her the affectionate title, the Encyclopaedia of Forests. Her contributions were nationally celebrated when she received the Padma Shri, one of India's highest civilian honors, in 2021 for her dedication to afforestation and environmental awareness. At the award ceremony, her barefoot appearance in traditional tribal attire became a symbol of a deep-rooted connection to nature. Tulsi Gowda's contributions were recognized long before this. In 1986, she was honored with the Indira Priyadarshini Vrikshamitra Award, which acknowledges exceptional efforts in forest conservation and land restoration. In 1999, she had received the Karnataka Rajyotsava Award, and in 2020, she received another prestigious acknowledgement when she was granted an honorary doctorate by Dharwad Agricultural University for her tireless environmental efforts. Earlier this year, Gowda faced respiratory issues and was admitted to KIMS Hospital in Karwar, receiving treatment in the ICU. Despite these health struggles, her legacy endures through the forest she nurtured and the inspiration she provided to countless individuals.
श्रीमती तुलसी गौड़ा, समाज सेवा, पर्यावरण।